Three local men at this very spot. November 28th, 1931. Split tunnel. Three men lost their lives. The 7236 from Newcastle. And the 6868, which is a really interesting number from South Philadelphia, came this tunnel at 5 in the morning. Just picture this. The hum of the trains. The sound of the rail. The one train coming out a little earlier than it should be. The smoke billowing out of this tunnel. It let out its whistle before it reached. The conductor had no clue that his load and almost 4,000 tons of weight would bear down on another train coming the opposite direction. The smoke poured, blinding him, and what it was left with was coming out of the tunnel and seeing another train in the opposite direction, looking down. What is that? What is that coming? That can't be another train. What is that? His rails roared, his whistle yet again, as the train got closer and closer and closer. You could hear the hum, the roar of the track. Every wheel turning with that power. Other train getting closer and closer. As they narrowed each other, and collided. Causing the deaths of those three men. About 2,000 feet from that tunnel, which would be a little bit beyond the edge of this bridge. People say sometimes they can still hear the train. They can still imagine hearing it running. They can still imagine that, the feeling, the gut feeling of coming through on this track. It's now gone. I think they can sometimes still imagine hearing that. It is a train. Better be a train. So anyways, these men lost their lives, and it's a story that is not forgotten. They're being a little bit off time on this very narrow bridge. Turnabout is up the road here at Conemaugh, at Livermore.